we're unboxing this together. Beautiful airbrush machine. Of course, I got my little scissors handy because I can't open anything on my own. Okay. I'm going to open up the link too so that I know. Okay. So guys, this is an airbrush air compressor. It has 40 PSI, high pressure, non-clog. Okay, cleaning set ideal for painting, modeling, cake decoration, pastry, nail art, and makeup. Okay, so I was at least on the ball with this, okay? Let's open her up. Ooh, okay, we got everything in here. You guys see? Hold on. Bop, bop. Come on, focus, focus. It's okay. You're going to see it in a second anyway. Okay, you got your instructions. It looks like all the little doodads right here. Okay. Ooh. She's beautiful, guys. Okay, I don't know how to do makeup. So I'm gonna just kind of put everything together. It looks like you do put the solution or whatever you're spraying, whether, oh no, not there. Where does it go? Oh, can you put it here? Oh, okay. And it gives you different sizes. You have the metal one here for a little bit. You got a big, small, and medium. So, look at that. So you don't have to change it out. Okay. It literally comes with everything you could possibly need. It has the cable too. Okay. We also have all the extra parts and bits that you might need in case you need to replace. And this is a compressor. Okay. She's sleek, she's tiny, she's simple, okay? Boom. You do have to plug it in to use it. It comes with the cable as well. Everything you see here, okay? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And again, it's a simple turn on and you're good to go. Now let's see here. Anything I am missing? High pressure. All right, easy to clean. And again, it comes with everything you need to clean it, take care of it, the parts, additional parts, and in between, okay? So you're good and you're covered. Let's see. This is actually really cool. They even show them using it to decorate like Easter eggs and stuff like that. Gravity feed, love it. 3 modes, high pressure. Use it on shoes. Okay, I didn't even think of that. Shoes is a great one for it too. So guys, this is really amazing. Comes with everything I showed you here. Absolutely, absolutely amazing, especially if you're into that craft world.